हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज से हम एक नई सीरीज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं जिसमें हम सारे नीट के पीवाईक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। एंड फर्स्ट चैप्टर है हमारा द लिविंग वर्ल्ड। क्वेश्चन 1, लेसिथिन अ स्मॉल मोलिकुलर वेट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड फाउंड इन लिविंग टिश्यू इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ। ये नीट 2024 में पूछा गया था। ए अमाइनो एसिड, बी फॉस्फोलिपिड, सी ग्लिसराइड, डी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी फॉस्फोलिपिड्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Hint 2 always cuts DNA molecules at the particular point called recognition sequence, and it consists of A 8 base pair, B 6 base pair, C 4 base pair, D 10 base pair. So हमारा correct answer है B 6 base pair. Next question. The capacity to generate a whole plant from any cell of the plant is called A totipotency, B micropropagation, D differentiation, D somatic hybridization. So totipotency is defined as the capacity to generate a whole plant from any cell of a plant. So option A is correct. Next question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 है Bt toxin, botulinum toxin are insect group specific and coded by gene CRY1AC. And statement 2 है botulinum toxin exists as inactive protoxin in B. Thoragenesis, however, after ingestion by the insect, the inactive protoxin gets converted into active form due to acidic pH of the insect gut. So हमारा ये जो स्टेटमेंट 1 है वो करेक्ट है एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 है जो इनकरेक्ट है. सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The type of conservation in which the threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special setting where they can be protected and given special care is called A. In situ conservation, B. Biodiversity conservation, C. Semi-conservative method, D. Sustainable development. So correct answer is B. Diversity conservation. So the type of conservation in which threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special setting where they can be protected and given special care is called as ex situ conservation, which is a type of biodiversity conservation. Next question है match list 1 with list 2. So Clostridium botulism match with butyric acid. Saccharomyces cerevisiae match with ethanol. Trichoderma polysporum match with cyclosporin A, and Streptococcus species is matched with streptokinase. So हमारा ऑप्शन है C. Next question. Which of the following are true about taxonomical aid key? So key से related कौन से correct है? A keys are based on the similarities and dissimilarities. ये correct है. Key is the analytical in nature. ये भी correct है. Keys are based on contrasting characteristic in pair called couplet. ये भी correct है. D. Same key can be used for all taxonomical categories. No, ये correct नहीं है. Next, each statement in key is called lead. ये भी correct है. So option D, A, B, C and E correct है. Next question. Which of the following is against the rule of ICBN? So option A, generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. No, ये wrong है. पहला जो अक्षर है, पहला जो लेटर है वो कैपिटल में चाहिए. Next question. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carlius Linnaeus. So Mangifera indica scientific name है. So ये correct Mangifera indica Linn जो Carlius Linnaeus ने discover किया था. Next. The contrasting characteristic generally in pair used for identification of animals in taxonomic key is referred to as A. Alternate, B. Lead, C. Couplet, D. Doublet. So हमारा ऑप्शन है C. Couplet बोलते हैं. Next, Which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as fossils? A. Pollen kit. B. Cellulosic antennae. C. Sporopollenin. D. Oil content. So option C is correct. Next question. The label of herbarium sheet does not carry information on A. Date of collection, ये होता है. नेम ऑफ कलेक्टर भी होता है herbarium पे. लोकल नेम भी होता है. डी. हाइट ऑफ द प्लांट नहीं होता. तो हमारा ऑप्शन डी. नेक्स्ट. मैच कॉलम 1 विथ कॉलम 2. जो फैमिली है वो म्यूसिडी है. ऑर्डर है वो डिप्टेरा है. क्लास है वो इंसेक्टा है. और फाइलम है वो आर्थ्रोपोडा है. सो ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट. Study the four statement A to D given below and select the two correct ones one of them. So option A, the definition of biological species was given by Ernst Mayr. ये correct है. Next, photo period does not affect reproduction in plants. ये wrong है. Binomial nomenclature system was given by R.H. Whitaker. ये भी wrong है. D. In unicellular organism, reproduction is synonymous with growth. Yes, ये correct है. So option A and D is correct. Next, a nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? So पहला rule ये options. The names are written in Latin and are italicized. Yes, Italian में लिखते हैं, ये correct है. So next, when written by hand, the names are to be underlined. ये भी correct है. Biological names can be written in any language. नहीं, ये wrong है. And the first word in biological names represent the genus name and the second specific name is flat. ये भी correct है. So option C is contrary है. Contrary. Next, which one of the following is not correct statement? First statement है a museum has collection of photograph of plants and animals. ये correct नहीं है. इसमें museum में plant and animal specimen होते हैं. So option A. Next, the common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their family में ज़्यादा होंगे. Next question. Which one of the following organism is scientifically correctly named, correctly printed according to international rules of nomenclature and correctly described? So Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing the most serious type of malaria. Correct. Next, which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular taxonomic category? Option A, Tigris tigris, tiger, tigris species. Yes, ये बराबर है. Next, which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristic of living things? Options A, isolated metabolic reaction occurs in vitro. B, increase in mass from inside only. C, perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. D, increase in mass by accumulation of material on surface as well as internally. So option C is correct. Next, ICBN stands for A, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. B, International Congress of Biological Names. C, Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature. D, Indian Congress of Biological Names. So इसका full form है International Codes of Botanical Nomenclature. Next, the living organism can be unexpectedly distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for options. A, interaction with the environment and progressively evolution. B, reproduction. C, growth and movement. D, responsiveness to touch. Option A is correct. Next, one of the most important functions of botanical gardens is that options A. They provide beautiful area of recreation. B. One can observe tropical plants here. C. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. D. They provide the natural habitat for life. So option C is correct. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. Next, species are considered as a real basic unit of classification. ये correct है. Next, biosystematics aims at option A, the classification of organisms based on broad morphological characters. B, delimiting various tags of organisms and establishing their relationships. C, the classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all field of studies. D, identification and arrangement of organisms on the basis of their cytological characteristics. So option C is correct. Next, which one of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus? Species. Question. Next question. The book Genera Plantarum was written by Carlius Linnaeus ने लिखा था.